the forefront of the movement dedicated to fostering peace and nurturing our environment. Remember that. We embrace the principles of respect. Isa ko, no? Principles of respect, unity, and stewardship, guiding us to be responsible citizens and guardians of our planet. We are all guardians of our planet. Take note of that and bear it in your mind that we are all guardians of our planet. As we journey together as scouts, our mission to promote peace and protect our planet becomes ever more significant as you observe as of this moment na makita din nato nga ang atong basura bisan asa nato gilagay. So our scout spirit drives us to be peacemakers and environmental stewards, embodying the values of unity and sustainability. Today, more than ever, the call to be guardians of peace and the environment echoes around the globe. We are equipped with the skills and values to answer this call with vigor and dedication. In the heart of scouting lies a commitment to peace and environmental stewardship. We embody these values in our daily lives, working towards a world where harmony and sustainability are cornerstones of our communities. Peace, pwede ba mo peace, no? Peaceful and greener world man ang scout team, the theme for this year. Peace begins with understanding, compassion, and cooperation. Let us continue to build bridges between communities, celebrate and our diversity, and work toward to resolve conflicts. We must resolve the conflict. Dili kay i-resolve the problem atong ibutan sa atoa or sa Facebook. Makatabang ba na kung may ngunta nga let us continue to build bridges between communities, the peace. Asa man ang peace? O ingana ta. No? So through our actions, we can create a ripple effect of harmony that reaches far beyond our local circles. In our quest for peace, we must champion. So may ito champion. We champion empathy, understanding, and collaboration. Each kind word and cooperative action contributes to a world where conflicts are resolved peacefully and differences are celebrated. So, may nga, each kind of word and cooperative action contribute to the world where conflict are resolved. So, unsa may dapat natong istorya, even if we are in the anger, manungo ba ka o manggimo? Dili, di ba? Yes, we have to do that as outdoors. In our pursuit of peace, we strive to be ambassadors of harmony and justice. Our actions, whether big or small, help build a foundation of more mutual respect and cooperation. We must learn to listen. Naminaw ba mo? Maminaw ba mo? O tagaan mo og advice? If your teacher will give you some advices for you to follow, naminaw ba mo? So we learn to listen. We learn to understand and act with compassion, fostering a world where peace is not just a concept, but also a reality. Together, as scouts, we have the power to make a significant impact. Let us embrace our role as ambassadors of peace and champion of the environment. Every small action counts. and together our help build a foundation of mutual